Hi YouTube. Today I will be unboxing my purse organizer from pursebling.com. Okay, so it comes in a package like this, just a bubble wrapped envelope. Open this up. Okay, here's it, the invoice, and the price is right there, $23. $23.95. And then there's a couple of business cards right there. This is just a receipt for the invoice. It comes in plastic wrap, like that. Take that out. And then you have like a little, I guess a little pamphlet or flyer or whatever you want to call this. It just says a purse organizer within a purse. Transfer liner. Available in 4 sizes, several colors and patterns to match most purses. No more forgotten items. Replaces damaged linings. Reversible pockets outside. Velcro feature for adjustability. Wipe clean with damp cloth. That's what it says. Okay, and then it looks like this. So there's no pockets outside. This is just, it just has the seams. Velcro here, 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 here. Seams again. Okay, and then inside you have a little hook right there. One right here. Purse to go. And then these are the pockets right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the bottom has a cloth right there too. So you have a couple of different sizes. You have a large one right here, a smaller one right there, and then a bunch of smaller ones. And these 2 are the smallest pockets. And you can put pencils in there, I guess. Okay, so this one I believe is a jumbo. So it's a jumbo tan, and I purchased it for my Speedy 30 in the Damier Azur. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it fits in here. Okay, so inside I have the base shaper. So it's a clear base shaper. Okay, so I'll test out with both, with and without the base shaper. So the base shaper goes inside, and then I stick this in there. Okay, the reason why I bought this purse organizer is because since the inside is so light, I don't want to get my purse dirty. Okay, so I have that. So my wallet goes inside in the middle, fits there. My planner just goes right there. And, okay. I have a little cosmetic bag right here. Okay, lotion should fit in one of the pockets. Little Sephora compact. And another one. Okay, a pen can go in this one right here, the smallest one. My highlighter can go in the next one, right next to it. And then some lipsticks can go in the other smaller ones. pepper spray in one of the pockets. Mascara. Blotting papers. Lip gloss. Another lip gloss. And just a little brush, one brush. And then some bobby pins. Okay. So everything used to be in this clear bag. And then now it's all in. Let's see if it'll hold it straight. Okay, now it's all in here. Like this. So if anything spills or whatever, it doesn't, I mean, the last thing would be your purse getting dirty, so this would get dirty first. So this is a jumbo size in the color tan, and it fits perfectly inside. And if you wanted to, you can take this out, transfer it into another bag. So you can just transfer it into another bag is fine. But since this is red on the inside, I wouldn't put that in there. But it should fit in there fine. So there goes my unboxing of the purse organizer from pursebling.com.